I'm Mia Davis. I'm a sixth grade science teacher at Ingleside Middle School, and we're here in Arcadia, Arizona. So very cool. I just got done at the assembly, and I just wanted to say that I feel like this presentation and how the format is, it's like the most engaged I've ever seen my kids. Sometimes sixth grade, some of these topics are a little heavy for them, right? Depending on what level they're at. And I feel like some of them, because of that, they kind of check out whenever we talk about this stuff. But the way that the format of it and the drums and how we interacted and how we correlated it to fun things, it was so well done. That was the most engaged I've ever seen the kids before. So I was really impressed by that. So yeah, definitely recommend. Such an important message, such a good way to deliver it to the kids. So yeah, thank you for visiting our school.
My name is Dave Norris. I've been teaching in Scottsdale for 33 years. I teach math at Ingleside Middle School in Scottsdale, and I just witnessed the best assembly I've ever seen in 33 years in Scottsdale. Thank you so much for encouraging our kids.